Hi everyone, this is I am Ali. Today the topic of our lecture is equilibrium. This is the extension of my previous videos. Those who haven't watched my previous videos of demand and supply, please watch it first to understand it more easily. And those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon as you can watch previous and future videos uh, related to economics, because in this channel I will cover almost all the lectures related to the economics, which are whether they are basic or advanced. So what is equilibrium? Equilibrium is a situation in which supply and demand has been brought into balance. Recall our previous lecture that when there is a high price, then there will be less demand of any product. So if there is a price which is more than 20, the demand will be less. This 20 is a price which is charged, which is acceptable for consumers and producers, meaning that consumers are willing to pay and producers are willing to charge on clearing the 100 quantity of ice cream, which will be known as the equilibrium. So what if there is a higher or less price, or what if when the market is not in equilibrium? For example, producer wants to charge more than 20, so they will be willing to supply more quantity, because when there was a price of 20, only 100 quantities were sold. But if the price increase, the consumer will also wants to sell more on that particular price, then there will be a surplus. Why there will be surplus? Because on supplying selling on 30 price, and more firms are willing to sell more. If in starting it was 100, the quantity increased to the 150, but only 50 consumers are willing to pay. That's why this gap from 50 to 150, which is 100, this would be surplus because of increase in price. So what about this graph? This graph explains about the shortage. What is shortage? When firm has to pay or firm has to charge 15 because of any reason, maybe government policy, anything, firm has to sell on 15, most of firm will shut down or leave the market or will not willing to sell. If fewer firms are willing to sell, and here we have, if only 50 quantities are sold, because only few firms are here to sell the ice cream, but on this price more consumer are willing to purchase, but ice cream is not available in market because on this price. That's why only 50 would be sold, but 150 consumers are willing to buy. So this gap between purchasing and selling would be known as shortage. Thank you so much. This will be for today's lecture, and please again click on my bell icon as you can watch my future videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.